I purchased this new product today. It's called True Earth, and they are a Eco Strips laundry detergent, and it's supposed to be ultra concentrated, and it's like a laundry detergent, but it's in strips. So I've got this today. It comes in 32 loads. The smell is fresh linen, and it smells pretty good. Has a real good, nice smell to it. And one strip is equal to one load. Very interesting. So I bought this today, and it was on sale. I don't know if you can see that or not. See right there, True Earth detergent, fresh linen, for $13.49. Okay, I saved $1.50. Okay, the price has fallen since I've last gone into the store to purchase, to look for them. Last time it was like $14.99 or something like that. But anyway, I'm getting ready to do a review on this product, and I thought I would just go over a few things about it. And I also want to add that it's eco-friendly, hypoallergenic, and biodegradable, which means when you put the strip in the laundry, it will disappear. And you don't have to worry about anything like a plastic jug to haul around or anything like that, you know. So this is a new product that just hit the market. Okay, and it's supposed to be easy, effective, and eco-friendly, paraben-free, 1,4-diene-free, phosphate-free. Okay, it's good for, or it'll work in all machines, including HE, top load, and front load. So it says one strip is equal to one load, and use 2 strips if you have extra large loads, and only half a strip if you have a small load. So I'm getting ready to leave here pretty soon. I'm going to the laundromat to wash my clothes, and I'm going to try this product out. Okay, it just happens to be raining, but I'm on my way to the laundromat. Okay, I'm gonna put whites over here, colors over here. Colors over there, whites over there. Okay, I'm gonna put 2 strips in each load. Got my whites over here and my colors over here. Okay, 2 right here and 2 right here. Right. Got both of them. Alright. I want you to see that. So I'm going to close it up. That one's closed. That one's closed. They're both ready to go. Okay. So I'll just put these back until next week. They look pretty good. Look pretty clean. Okay, my clothes smell pretty good. Okay, that's my colors. There's my whites right there.